I'm Dr. Rohit Ranade. I am a consultant gynec-oncosurgeon at the Narayana Health City in Bangalore. Now, this 30-year-old lady from West Bengal, she came to my OPD in a wheelchair, unable to walk. On an imaging scan done at our hospital, this lady showed a huge mass which was arising from the uterus and which was filling up nearly the whole of her abdomen, and crucially it was involving the two major blood vessels which go from the abdomen to the leg, called as the external iliac arteries and veins, which are the main blood supply of the leg. So they were completely involving the blood vessels, as well as they were completely involving the ureter as well, which is a tube which goes from the kidney to the bladder, the main function of which is to drain the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. So the surgery was a team effort led by a team of gynec-oncosurgeons, then vascular surgeons led by Dr. Robbie George, and urological oncologist led by Dr. Saurabh Bhargav. So we managed to perform the surgery on her. We managed to get the tumor in toto out. The entire surgery was a mammoth effort of nearly more than 12 hours. And on top of that, we also managed to reconstruct the entire arterial and the venous system of her leg, as well as reconstruct the ureter to the bladder. So we managed to get out the tumor. At the same time, we managed to save her kidney, and we managed to save her right leg also. The blood supply of the right leg was also maintained. Fortunately, she withstood the surgery very well. She was out of the ICU about after 1 day, and we managed to discharge her about 6 days after the surgery, which was quite good.
আমার নাম সপ্তমী পড়িয়া, আমার বাড়ি পূর্ব মেদিনীপুর। আমার দেশে আমার রোগ নিয়ে অনেকবার দেখিয়েছিলাম, 2বার অপারেশন হয়েছিল। সমস্যা কোনো মেটে না, আরও কষ্ট বাড়তেই থাকে। ঠিকানা পেয়ে এখানেই এসে স্যারকে দেখালাম। রোহিত স্যার দেখে বলল, আমি অপারেশন আপনাকে করে সুস্থ করে তুলব। সৌরভ স্যার, রবি স্যার, ওদের 3জন সাহায্যে আমি আজ 12 ঘন্টা ওটি করে নতুন জীবন পেয়েছি। এইখানে এনাদের সকলের স্টাফের জন্য আমি অনেক হেল্প পেয়েছি। হয়ে ভালো হয়ে বাড়ি ফিরে যাচ্ছি। এই জন্যে সকলকেই ধন্যবাদ জানাই, নমস্কার জানাই।
Good day, I'm Dr. Robbie George. I'm the Chief of Vascular and Endovascular Surgery at Narayana Hrudayalaya and Mazumdar Shaw Medical Center. So this particular patient of ours was especially a challenge. So when Dr. Rohit, our gynae oncologist, called me about her, and then we saw the CT scans, we knew we were in for a potential problem here. So this young lady had what looked like a very advanced tumor that had been attempted for surgery elsewhere, and it was found to be too big and too stuck for them to proceed with the surgery, so they had abandoned the procedure halfway through. So the very fact that somebody was unable to do it earlier, and then the fact that this has already been operated, makes the surgery even more challenging. And the scans showed that the tumor itself was involving the big blood vessels. It had completely had taken up the big blood vessels that go down to the leg. And it was in an area which was very difficult to approach, in addition to having caused damage to the kidney. So which is why we decided to approach this as a team. So with myself, Dr. Rohit, and Dr. Saurabh from the urology department, it was operated as a joint case. The surgery was very successful, even though it was extremely difficult and challenging and required a lot of reconstruction work. But the net result is that this young lady is now rid of this nasty tumor. And we managed to reconstruct everything so that the kidney is back in function, the blood flow to the legs is restored, and the tumor is taken out.
Hi, I'm Dr. Saurabh Bhargav. I'm a uro-oncologist at the Mazumdar Shaw Center, and I have special interest in prostate cancer and kidney cancers. The reason why I'm talking to you is that we are trying to create a special expertise where we are trying to develop a center of pelvic cancer excellence. So rather than one surgeon operating, because usually these tumors in the pelvis involve multiple disciplines, and you need people working together so that the outcomes for the patients are excellent. We are not talking about good outcomes, but we are talking about excellent outcomes, because that is what you're after. The example in front of us is this lady who had this huge tumor in her pelvis. She had been to several centers, and this could not be done in an effective manner except here, because it was a combined effort by the gynecologist, the urologist, and the vascular surgeons. And this lady, after a week stay in hospital, is up and about and walking. And I'm sure in the long term, her cancer outcomes will be excellent. She may need further treatment, but then in a place like this, you have support from the radiation oncologist and the medical oncologist. So if required, she can have further treatment. But I think in order to achieve good results, you need people working together, and the expertise has to exist. So we have got the colorectal surgeons, we have got the urologists, we have got the gynecologists, we've got the vascular surgeons, and if required, if you're working very close to the spine, you have got neurosurgeons also to help you. So the entire spectrum of pelvic diseases is covered in one single place, with the aim to achieve excellent outcomes. Thanks.
Today, Mrs. Saptami, who had come to my office, is walking on her own. She's able to pass urine on her own. She's eating well. More or less, she's doing all her things what she would want to do.